Hello everybody, this is marketingintelligence.com, and on today's video I would like to show you another great way on how you can make money online with no experience needed. You can make up to $100 a day, maybe a little bit more, based on the hours you would like to do. But the nice way is that you set your own hours, you work as much as you want, no experience needed, on a very nice simple way. I'm gonna talk to you in a bit. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video and on the description below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation video on how you can make money online passive every month from the comfort of your house. My #1 recommendation on how you can create a step closer to financial freedom. And as always, I would like to ask you to click again the red button on this video, the subscribe button, in order to subscribe on my videos on my channel and receive my videos every time I release one, in order to be able to get your feedback as well and improve wherever I can. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this great video on how you can make money online by no experience or none whatsoever. Okay guys, what I would like you to do is to open your favorite browser. Go to Google, and then from there on, what you need to do is type for this website. It's called Cambly.com. There you go. The first option you will see over here is this one. It's called Cambly.com. There you go. And this is the site I'm talking about, guys. What is this site? Basically, the only thing you need here, it's no experience needed. Don't worry about the word tutors that they are mentioning here. You're becoming a tutor, but what these people are looking for is people to chat and practice their English. So if you are good in talking English or chatting, you'll be able to start an account with these guys here and start communicating with people all around the world. This is amazing because you are able to set up your own hours. You work as much as you want when you have free time. And I will show you a little bit more details in a second. And you are able to chat one-on-one with people around the globe, meet very interesting people, and that's what pretty much what this is, because people want to practice their English and they're looking for somebody to do something like that. So this is pretty much what it is. This is their site. You can see different people here, different tutors, people they are taking the course right now, and so on. And you go from there. You open an account, and as you can see, you are able to start talking with somebody on the other side of your computer, and that's it. The only you need is internet connection and a PC. That's it. No experience needed. So let me talk to you about their pay. So as you can see here, while you chat with students, we automatically track the time you tutor. We pay about 17 cents of a dollar per minute. That's about $10.20 per hour, and we deliver your earnings every Monday by PayPal. That's confirmed. That's for sure. It's the standard. You will be able to see a lot of reviews about this, and every Monday, guys, this is consistent. There's a lot of good reviews all around the internet. You're able to browse around and see. As an example, you're able to see from the Glassdoor, which is one of the most prestigious and well-known sites for reviewing, and you can see here that these guys are having 4.1 stars out of 5, which is excellent. And you can see here from the people who do it, 77% of the people already approve after using Gambling to a friend. 83% approve of a CEO. That means people on a very high rank use this and they approve it as a very good site. A lot of companies that they would like their people to practice their English. Maybe they are foreigners and their English is not their native first language. So they approve this on the company so they can practice with accounts, and they recommend this. So you can see a lot of positive reviews. If you go and see the hours they're using is really good, by the people that are becoming a tutor or people that used it, and the comments, as you can see, goes down and they're very positive. Also, as I told you, you get paid every Monday by PayPal, and you can see that it comes directly from your account. This is a proof of payment from PayPal directly to the account, $108.12, bam, every Monday, based on the hours you're gonna put, and it comes straight to your account. Yeah. So what other is really great about this site, that you can work anytime, anywhere. This is what we want, right guys? We make our own hours, work as little or as much as you can, depending on how much free time you have. If you're currently unemployed, you're looking for something extra, it's a weekend, it's nighttime, you have free time, you're looking to make some extra income to pay the bills, you put the hours and the efforts inside. So that's it. That's what we're looking for, the freedom. We can sit there on the laptop, by the beach, have a coffee, start connecting our computer on if we have Wi-Fi access or whatever, and start making the chats. All right. And the great thing, another great thing is that, which I heard very nice stories about this, you meet a lot of interesting people. You talk one-to-one with people around the globe, guys. People who want to improve their English, which is English is not #1 language. So you talk with people from Spain, from Russia, from India, everywhere. Yeah. So you are able to have a one-to-one communication with someone. So you talk about different topics. So when you talk with somebody, it's more than natural when you talk for some time as well to start making a little bit more private questions, like where you work, how you spend your life, if you're married, if you're single. You meet a lot of interesting people around the globe, so you can start even friendships out of this one. But the very nice thing, I heard a very nice story about this, about the gambling, that is sometimes it's opening very good opportunities, because one of the tutors, they was on gambling for a couple of months, and on a tutoring session with a Chinese CEO, he didn't know he was a CEO of the company. He started talking about the job the guy was doing, the Chinese person was doing. He told him this CEO of this company. They started talking, and after a few sessions, the CEO, the Chinese guy, really liked the tutor and offered him a job, a much better job. Let's say, for example, they flew him over to China, and he was becoming one of his managers on one of the branches. So this is getting from one point that you get paid, very good paid, $100 up to $100, or even a little bit more based on the hours you're gonna put. You can work anytime based on the hours you want to set, and you meet a lot of interesting people. So there is a lot of chance to open very good doors and meet a lot of interesting people on this one. Yeah. So a few tricks that I would like to mention is that there is a small trick that I would like you to use on this one, and this is where it is. You have the option to set your own hours. Yeah. What I would like you to do is to, when you have a free set hours in the week or the day that you like to work as a tutor, once you open your account, is to go ahead and pre-set your hours on their site. So let's say, for example, from Monday to Wednesday, I'm available from 8 a.m. to noon, let's say, for example. Yeah, because this is where you have your free time. And then from Friday to Sunday, I'm available anytime from 10 o'clock at night until 3 o'clock in the morning, based on your hours. Yeah. If you preset the hours, what happens? Cambly gives you more per hour than this. Instead of 17 cents, it can go up to $2 something per hour. So this is very interesting and gives you head up, so you can even make more money out of it. So when you know that you have free hours you are able to put on this site, go ahead and set them up and go from there. Other thing that I would like you to pay attention to is that tutors and sessions get reviews. Like anything else, you get a review with your one-to-one session, and you get feedback. So up to a point, you're gonna able to see on the site which is the mentors that are available. As I told you, for example, you're gonna put that you're available on these hours, and you go online, somebody's looking to talk with somebody, and so this is the page where you can see the different tutors available, their profile, how many years experience, what language they talk, and so on, and you are able to choose one of these and start talking the conversation. Yeah. So you're gonna be getting reviews, and based on the reviews, you're gonna be ranking up and higher on the tutors page. So that's it, guys. As I told you, they have really good, great reviews. Money comes directly to your account every Monday, which is a great thing. That's what we want. We want extra money, and we work on our own hours. You can meet very interesting people. This is what I love about these things, and this is what I suggest to you. Go ahead and start an account today, start working on this, and start making good money. Before I end this video, I really like to have your thumbnail. If you like, click the thumbnail, click the like button on this video. As always, it will be gonna be a good motivation for me as well. And as always, I do ask you to click the link below this video in the description in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house. At the end of the day, that's why you're watching this video, because you do like to get some extra income to improve your finances and have a better life by paying the bills and so on. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like the video, click the like button. I wish you an amazing day ahead and see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.